Okay, so here we are with the Midland. I'll have to look at it and get rid of the racket. 48 XL. This is the PR2797, and this is the 80 channel UK EU set, and it's FM only. So later versions, post 2014, will offer AM. So this is the FM only one. Probably works better for that as well. So if you saw the repair video to this, it had been looked at for dry joints. We cleaned it up round then. I did look at a couple more just in case, but it's not played up in that direction. Came in doing 2 watts on transmit, and it was a problem with the power lead rather than the problem with the set. We then optimised it for UK channels, and so it is really good on the UK set of channels. So here we go. See if Mr. Chippie's there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent. I will plug in my extension speaker.
Roger that. TXO there seems very loud. Is that normal?
I can always recheck it at the end. We're on a factory original Electret mic, not intended for this radio but the next version, but it's probably right.
Yeah, it just might be a bit more sensitive than the dynamic ones.
Roger Dodger. It's the one out of the boot of the car which we used to use on the Midland 78.
Oh, right, okay.
I think it had a dirty mic switch, so we just put a brand new mic on the set we were using. Still haven't sold that set, have we?
No, it needed cleaning up and servicing, or did you service it?
No, I'll service it and sell it in the next... I'll make a thing to that. We'll do it within the next 28 days.
Yeah, roger that. Right, so if you want to let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go then.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. So have we got a tone control? No.
Oh, roger that. Well, the temperature's changed between now and yesterday, hasn't it?
Oh, was it... is it colder today?
It was 13 last night when we did the test. It's 4 today.
I think it gets better though, soon.
Oh, roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Passing Ancaster service station, and guess what?
It's closed.
Roger, spot on time as well, 7:30 today.
I don't know.
Now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Where'd you go? You're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, go. You're at the top of the hill.
Roger. around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 48 XL, which is a PR2797 SM80 channel set from that batch we bought from Lancashire that's going to be going on eBay. I'm using the factory original mic for the next version of this, which was the multi, but it's also made in Thailand. He's doing a 4 kilowatt output and it's got jolly good receipt. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, and I heard GPGR coming through on your other radio.
You did. I forgot to turn the radio off anyway. It's done now.
This version of this radio is the last one to be leaded component to SL to SMP. So this could be the better one to have.
Roger that. Just going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilson level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So we're on this Midland 48 XL. Doesn't have low power because it's a PR2797 set. So here we go, 1.7 amps. It's drawing, being a CPU controlled set. It's hungry. And we'll go over to CPT set of channels, if you like. Channel 31 CPT, over.
Roger that. Meet you there.
Do you want Mr. Chippie, over?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right, we're now on CPT and it actually works.
Yeah, it's very quiet for this band tonight.
It's not usually. Right, back to UK.
Roger that.
Mr. Chippie, here we are back on UK.
Yep, seem you loud and clear.
Excellent, off you go when you're ready.
Roger, will do. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rshireby level crossing. Over.
Level crossing.
Yep.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rshireby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going Rshireby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, as usual. It's been like this for a couple of weeks now. 139.9, 148.9.
Roger Dodger, well that worked an absolute treat. So that's it, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Right, we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on, well, the factory original mic for the next model.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 48 XL with the factory original mic for the next model. Into our Midland 76900 base station. And this will be appearing on eBay as its surplus and testing 1205 54321. No low power, so that's what you get. Thanks for watching.